Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Ford Mustang Ecoboost High Performance Package. Features the same 2.3 liter that the Focus RS used, just detuned a little bit for Mustang use. But it still features the same 350 pound-feet of torque, and I think it's 323 horsepower, give or take. Keep in mind, this one has yet to be detailed, so it's a little bit dirty, but nonetheless, I wanted to take a look at it and check it out while I could. I'm going to pop the hood in a minute to check out that 2.3, but I'm just going to check and see if the sticker is in this. It is nice. It's all factory kits, manuals. So, this one has the High Performance Ecoboost. It's the High Performance Package, of course, which is $49.95. That's the octave valved exhaust, the deck lid spoiler, the hood accent stripe, and this one also has the handling pack, which is awesome because that has the mag ride and stuff like that, and then the 10-speed automatic for a total price of $38,450. Not bad at all, actually, for, you know, what you can think of for this car. This is essentially the GT350 of the Ecoboost. Now, seeing how the GT has the GT350 as an upgrade, the Ecoboost has the 2.3, then the GT. So you get a nice strut bar. This is high performance 2.3. Looks like a different intake. It does look very different from the normal Ecoboost motor. Nice. And there's that accent stripe. So yeah, this one has the handling pack, so it's different wheels, different tires, P0 Corsas. And so it's rocking a solid tire. I don't know why I kicked my feet. Hasn't even been washed. This one has chassis number 1472. Actually, you do have different exhaust modes. Quiet, normal, much louder, sport, and then track. Okay, that's loud. That is really loud. You know what I'll do? I'll put it in normal for a little bit. Actually, I'll keep it in track here, just because it's a little bit less busy out here. No, not high. I want low. Give me low, low. Ooh. Much better. There we go. Go to climate. All right. this thing is a riot. So I've driven the normal Ecoboost, I've driven the manual, I've driven the automatic. So I was curious to see if I could even tell the difference. And honestly, this might be the Goldilocks of the Mustang lineup. You know, the GT350 is amazing, GT500's freaking crazy, the GT is a riot, and the Ecoboost is a lot of fun. But this is almost like the Ecoboost and GT. Actually, it's more like the Ecoboost and the GT350, because this is pretty much a GT350 with the Ecoboost. That's essentially what these are. And they just upped the power to fit in. And it's an absolute riot. This is an autocross hero. You know, this thing is pretty much a track weapon, and it's a lot of fun on the street. Steering, really responsive. That is definitely helped by the Magna Ride. Wow. Okay. It's funny, in quiet mode is essentially what the normal Ecoboost sounds like. And then normal is an Ecoboost with an exhaust. Track is just, yeah, the loudest thing you can ever imagine. For retrospect, pulling quiet. And a pull-in track. Like, come on. Oh, this thing. And you even have the chassis number like a GT350. You know, it is, if you think about it, it's in that lineup. It should go high performance package, GT350, GT500 for Ford performance. You know, and if you think about it that way, it's pretty much what it's like. I mean, you could probably throw the GT performance pack in there too, but it is absolutely sensational. The front, you can definitely tell it's a little bit more eager to turn in. You have half the number of cylinders up there, an engine little less than half the displacement, so there's a little bit less weight up front. So I'm noticing, compared to a GT performance pack, it's a little bit more darty. I can feel it's a little bit lighter. The power band's a bit different, whereas, you know, a lot of the torque is down low and very immediate. You don't have to wind it out to get your power. So it's very nimble. It's much more of an autocross kind of car rather than a grand touring track car like the GT is. And that's where the Ecoboost really shines, is being an excellent street performance car. I mean, I can't think of many more cars for the money that would be fun daily drivers. This thing is just absolutely hysterical. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.